Hello there. I am not feeling good today, but we're going to do this anyway. This is a Chef Ramsay's fish and chips oven meal. So it looks okay. I did it in the toaster oven is where I prepared it. Let me show you what it looks like. There's the nuggets, fish nuggets, and then there's the fries. I wish it would have had a little packet of sauce included, but it did not. Each of these items were bagged separately inside this box. I'll see if I can find a link below to this, or a link if I can. I will put it below. If you've ever had this before, let me know what you thought of it. Okay, we're going to start with a bite of the fish. It looks flaky. Sorry about that. It's really fishy. Overly fish. It's very, very fishy. I don't know what kind of fish they used. Let me look and see here. Oh, by the way, this is 2 servings, it says, and it's 230 calories per serving. Wow. Seems like a lot, but 450 milligrams of sodium per serving. Yeah, I cannot see what type of fish this is. Whatever kind it is, it's extra fishy, which is not something I'm a fan of. So, the fish is not for me. But if you like that fishiness of fishy fish, then yeah, this might be for you. I'm going to try one of the fries now. I mean, come on. Does Chef Ramsay not taste this stuff before he puts his face on stuff? Flavorless, no seasoning. Just straight up potato. Like, where's the salt? Zero salt. And this man always like bitches at people about not using seasoning. Chef Ramsay, this is an epic fail. You need to talk to your people and either tell them to put some seasoning on their fries or take your picture and name off of the box, because I don't think you want this crap representing you. Now the fish, maybe that's what it's supposed to be like. Maybe it's supposed to be extra fishy. And maybe that's what people who typically like fish dishes like. But the potatoes, nobody wants an unseasoned potato. They just don't. You got to put some salt on it at the minimum. I would even say some salt, pepper, and hell, you could have done some type of seasoning to give it a little bit of a, but nope, these are boring. This is getting a 1 out of 5 stars. Not edible. Would not recommend it to others. Will never purchase it again. And yeah, I'd be surprised if anybody was like really finding this to be a delicious meal. because sadly I am not going to eat this. And yeah, the wife wouldn't eat this either. She's not a fan of that extra fishy taste. So, and she's definitely not a fan of unseasoned french fries. So yeah, unfortunately, this isn't going to be my lunch, and I wouldn't recommend it being yours either. If you've had this before and you really liked it, let me know what you liked about it. Was it the fish you liked? Was it the potatoes? Was it both? When did you lose your taste buds? Let us know, because we want to know. Hopefully your taste buds will come back. I know I'm being snarky and a little bit mean, but this was going to be my lunch, and this is not edible. Ugh, yuck. No, this is bad stuff. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.